In this video, I will show you how you can export data from Xero to your Microsoft Excel. So to exporting data from Xero to Excel is a straightforward process that allows you to analyze and manipulate your financial information effectively. Here's how you can do it. First, need to export the reports from Xero to Excel. So first access the report, log in your Xero account, then navigate to the accounts menu. From here, click on reports. Then from here choose the specific report you wish to export, such as profit loss, balance sheet. I'm going to choose profit loss. Within the report you need to click on export button. This is typically located at the bottom of your page. Then need to select Excel option from here. Then it's going to download an Excel file to your computer. So just click on this save file or click on OK. And then you can simply open this file in your Excel or Microsoft Excel using your software. So I hope this video was helpful. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel.